Hello, today I will show you how to use the GPS platform. On the main screen, top right side of the screen, you need to click sign in, and on the next page you need to type in your credentials and also click sign in. After you log into the system, you will be taken to the main screen of the platform. In this page you will have access to the main features of the software. Also you can view the devices and their device information like coordinates, history, speed, and so on. On the top right side of the screen you have the tools menu. On the left screen you have the object navigation and control panel. On the right side you will have the map features that you can turn off or on. By default it's going to be added on the ungrouped list. If you want the device to appear on a specific list, the first thing you will need to do is to create the list. You need to select setup and then go into object groups. On the bottom type in on the field any device group that you require, my group for example. Clicking save will make the list come up on the left side. Once that is done, you will need to add the group to the device. Click on the three dots and click edit. Then you will need to go into advanced and select the group that you have created to be assigned to the object. Once that is done, on the left side it will create the group and show the devices assigned to the group. As you can see, each device has a color next to it. The same color is displayed on the map. It can be green, red or yellow. Now I will show you on what the meaning is and how to change it. Click on edit next to any object, going into icons, and next to the icon type it's going to be arrow by default, meaning your device will be displayed as an arrow. You can change it to rotating icon or simply icon. By default this will be set up as arrow. Moving on, you're going to see the states that the tracker can be in and which color is displayed by which state. For example, moving is going to show green, stopped and sending some data to our server is going to show yellow, offline and not connected to the system or not sending data at all is going to show red. Engine idle with the engine on is going to show yellow as well. You can change these colors whenever you'll require. Clicking save will save that on the device. After anything is changed on the server, you must click save for these to be displayed. Now I will show you additional things that you can set on a tracker. Moving on to advanced, you can select the group as shown below. Add an additional number like SIM number, license plate, VIN number, device model, so on. Also on the bottom you will be able to change the average consumption of fuel and the fuel cost. In this case, once creating a report, you're going to see how much fuel the car is consuming based on the distance it travels and also the cost of that travel. Time adjustment is always recommended to be set to default. It is only used in a case where the GPS tracker is sending incorrect information to our server. If that is the case, the time can be adjusted in the system, but by default it must be set to default and the tracker must be configured to UTC 0.